Juicy. All right, Mr. Steven Idle. High-ranking tennis player. You can do it. You can do it.
Steven Idle. Just because you're good at something doesn't mean you enjoy it. You've dedicated your entire life to tennis, spending the best years stuck on court. After winning your latest tournament, the prestigious Hart Cup, the flood of sponsorship deals has given you the financial freedom to put down your tennis racket. But you rigged the match in your favor, and your departure from tennis relies on the facts remaining a secret.
Oh, so he rigged the game.
So...
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay.